come and see. You fi come and see.
Cryptocurrency.
Come and see. DeFi bully. Nasa Binkabi. Subscribe to me. Me just bingo. In a crypto. Brand new money as I wake up. Hit the bell. Get alerted with the info. Like, comment, subscribe.
What's up, people? It's your boy Nasa Binkabi. I'm back. The GOAT is back. Now let me stop. Now, a lot of stuff been going on in the world of DeFi, people. A lot of things been going on. We saw what happened with Swap Next. COTPS. I had a private some of those videos. Yeah, it's just the risk that you got to take when you in DeFi. When you're in this DeFi world, high risk, high reward. You know what I mean? But speaking of high risk, high reward, I found some projects that seem to be a little bit less risk, and the tokenomics is used in a way to make sure the sustainability of the project lasts and everybody could get rich. So we're gonna get into that. But before I get into that, head to the YouTube page right here. Y'all know how it go. Hit that subscribe button, hit this like button on this video, and hit that notification bell because DeFi is time sensitive and you know the spill. It's not, and also I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I don't want any of y'all out there to think that. Is this camera on me? It's not financial advice. I'm just sharing my experiences, the platforms I've been in or I'm thinking about going in, showing you guys how it worked and what I'm bullish on. Okay. Again, I'm Nasa Binkabi, this DeFi bully. All right. Today I want to talk to you about LockPay. Oh my gosh, I wish I jumped in on this earlier. This is going ham right now. I'm gonna do a quick run through, okay, how it is. Is a LockPay is a lock to earn. Pretty much, it's an auto compounding situation where you just buy the coin directly. Pancake Swap, they have a link on the site, and as you have the coin in your wallet, they pay you every 30 minutes. Every 30 minutes, you make money. You make money for a total of 2.35% daily. And the twist on this platform is that you only can withdraw 1% a day. So technically, well, it says 1 to 5%, but right now they're starting off at 1%. Okay, so technically you can never really finish what you earn, because if you're earning 2.35% daily and you only can withdraw 1%, you can never finish the bag. So let's go through some of these things that they're saying right here, and I'm gonna show you guys why I'm bullish, how I jumped in, and so forth. Finally, the world's first anti-dump mechanism to protect your investment as you cash in on a super high APY, the highest paying coin in the world, without the big dumps. Okay, now I know they won't have these big dumps, or they shouldn't have these big dumps according to the tokenomics. Now, okay, number one, the new trend is lock to earn protocol. So they're claiming a new trend, and I do see this being a new trend because people want to get away from a lot of these other things going on in the world. That's the things that's affected by the market, and we know how this is going right now. So earn super high fixed interest of 2.35% a day. Okay, cash out, convert your crypto back to cash, double your investment every 30 days. Okay, people, this provides the best security and healthy chart like no other coin. The KYC, the identity verification of the owners has been done, so they're fully doxed, KYC, and all these things. So it's not a situation like, for example, with another platform. I'm gonna stop calling other names, but unlike like Swap Next and them, where they wasn't showing their faces and this and that, and then they ran off for the money. Not saying that some of the projects that don't show their face is a scam, because we know plenty of projects that we haven't seen the people's faces that still worked out, you know. But it's just letting you know that they are KYC'd, and the identity verification has been done with the owners of this project. Okay, now you could click right here and buy directly on Pancake Swap. And there is a 14% tax on the buys. Now let's open up this app really quickly. Okay. Wait, hold up. Before even that, let's just keep going. It says 480,000, 810% a year annual fixed percentage yield. Okie dokie. I'm liking the anti-dump mechanism that they have. I'm trying to see where they show a little bit more information on that so I can show you guys. All right, well, I'll get into that when I get into the app. But if you were to click here, they'll bring you directly to the pancake swap. And then you just press this settings thing right here and make sure you change that to 14%. Just type 14 like that and get off of that. And it'll show right here slip tolerance. I don't know if my face is in a way. My face is in a way. Let me move my face out of the way slightly. But as you see right here where it says slip tolerance, it'll show 14% right there. Okay, people, let me drop myself back down right here. Okay. So as you go into the app, it looks like this right here. This is the dashboard. It'll show you the price right now. Right now, the price of LockPay is at 1 cent. As you can see, is 0.016, which is 1 cent. And I do believe this will go past a lot of cents. I really do. I really do believe that. And it has been going up. I'll show you guys the chart in a minute. The market capital right now is at over 100 million. So that's nice, healthy, it's growing. It's not too late to get in. Let me refresh this really quickly. Not too late to get in, people. All right. And as you see, my next rebase is in 5 minutes. I believe you get a rebase every 30 minutes with this platform, which is also really good. And they have treasury assets and such. So if you go to your account, they now will show, I know some of my screen is off right here, but it'll show like your balance and such and such. Now with me, I actually jumped in a couple days ago. I put $70 in, but after taxes, about $62, I believe. And then I did the same thing again. So I have about like $120 in here, roughly. So everything else is just off of rebases and pretty much the percentage, the daily percentage that I've been gaining off of this. Now, if you look right here, it shows, dang, I don't know if you guys can see this side of the screen. Let me move myself once again, people, to the next side. Okay. You should be able to see it quite enough. Let me slide this over too, just for this part of the video, people. All right. So you see current lock price. It shows the price of the token. My next reward amount will be 5 lock tokens since I have such a little amount. But the next reward amount would be pretty much 8 cents for me. So right now I'm getting about 8 cents every 30 minutes, which I could deal with. It's free. It's auto compounding. You don't got to come here and press hydrate or compound or anything like that. Now the max sell rate, this is the special thing about LockPay that I was telling you guys about. The max sell rate is at 1%. So the amount you could sell today in my case, because I only have 10,800 LockPay tokens, is 108 LockPay tokens. So that's the amount that I could sell right now, and that's 1% of that. I like that. They say in the future they're gonna raise that up a little bit. I believe once the coin gets into the dollars, maybe they will increase that maybe to the max of their 5% daily. I'm liking it. It shows my ROI in 1 day should be about $4, and 5 days should be about $20. But that's not keeping in account the price of the token increasing. That's just off of the rewards that they give. So the price increase will also add to that. And that's why I think this is something really good. I like the mechanism they have in place. Is bringing back some faith in me. I've been gone for a minute. Like, really, I've been going hard for my birthday, people. My birthday was May 18th. I know everybody think I'm a young boy out there, but I'm 31 now. Oh my God. But this how you look when you don't let anything stress you out. Rug pulls, that can't stress me out. I seen that coming. Nah, well, not all the time. But we try to diversify our bags and just prepare for these type of things. Like I said, it's risky business. But I've been going hard for my birthday, and I've just been looking for something to motivate me to get back out here. You know what I mean? To get back out on these DeFi streets, and this LockPay is looking promising because it's going up. So right now I'm dollar cost averaging on this, and I'll just continue to add onto my balance until hopefully I could probably withdraw like 100 a day, which would be about $10,000 in. But yeah, I mean, it's possible, especially with price appreciation and so forth. Right now, we're earning 2.35%. That's looking really lovely. I'm hopeful for this. And I also heard about a fork, and I might deep dive into that as well. But I just want to keep this one nice, short, and sweet just to tell y'all that I'm back. And I'm back better than ever. And vengeance. I was watching a Batman movie. Let me stop. Oh man, my son trying to get in on the video. But like I said, people, I'm gonna keep this nice and short and sweet. I'm liking this project. I'll put a link to the Telegram group down below. The link to the website. Oh, also, there's no referral links, okay? So you can't say, oh, he's only doing this for referrals. There's no referral links. So hit that link down below to get started with LockPay. I have the link to the Bullpen Millionaires group. That's my Telegram group. Shout out Dripper. Shout out Mr. Aloha. Shout out Sheldon. Shout out everybody in the group. It's a good community. We don't have like a crazy amount of people, but everybody helping each other. And we trying to run it up to financial freedom. And remember, people, again, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I just do these. I just do this just like how you do it. And we're learning every day. And I know sometimes I'm a little hype, but I'm very serious about this. And I love y'all. Like, comment, subscribe. And remember, this is not financial advice.
I get paid to entertain. And all of this is entertainment.